Hello, in this video I want to show you how to set up nearby share on Redmi 12. And to do this, I would recommend to scroll down your notification bar just like this, and then scroll down again to see full list of icons in your toolbar. Inside you should be able to find nearby share by default, but if not, then move to the last page and click on edit. Right here you will see the list of all of the tiles that you've already added, and if you scroll down there's a list of tiles that are not added. Click on done when you drag the nearby share icon and you will see it exactly where you placed it. Now activate the icon. You'll be able to set up device name for your nearby share and change device visibility by clicking on this gear icon. So you can set it to your devices only, your contacts only, or basically everyone. So I'm gonna go with my devices, click on done and turn on. Device visibility, you can activate it or deactivate it. It's the same step as before. And now we've just set up our nearby share and it's activated, and we can exchange files between our other devices. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.